Hi, Chinese New Year's 2020 is coming up on January 25th, 2020. I got to thinking about what kind of dishes were served or are being served for Chinese New Year's. And during Chinese New Year's, a lot of the dishes are symbolic. They have symbolic meanings in the food. They use Chinese words that are homonyms. You know, they sound alike but mean something else. So, for example, today I'm going to do lettuce cups with oysters. Technically, they should be dried oysters, but where can I find dried oysters? So I'm just going to use smoked oysters packed in water. And oysters in Chinese means good fortune, good business venture. Mushrooms in Chinese means seeking opportunity or seizing opportunity or seeing opportunities and taking them and making the best of them. And lettuce means great fortune or, wealth. And I guess everybody knows what lettuce is and what it symbolizes. All right, here are the ingredients for my lettuce cup recipe. I have half a pound, 8 ounces of ground pork, 3.75 ounce can of smoked oysters packed in water. I chopped them up. 1 stalk of celery chopped, 1 green onion, dried mushroom I chopped, and typically the mushroom is dried. You rehydrate it in warm water and until it gets soft, then you cut off the stems since that's tough to eat. And here are the stems, and they're nice and pliable, but you don't really use them. And 1 clove of garlic. For the sauce, I used 1 tablespoon of oyster flavored sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, and a dash of white pepper. Also, since the smoked oysters were packed in water, I just added the liquid into the sauce mixture. One thing I was trying to do is make a lower carb meal, and these 2 sauces here, the oyster sauce and the dark soy sauce, actually have 5 grams of carbs in them. So I think in the future an alternative is to just use like fish flavored sauce, and if you use oysters packed in water, you could use that also, and soy sauce. All right, one of the first steps I'm going to do is cook off the ground pork. This is 8 ounces. And just cook it till it crumbles, and then add the rest of the ingredients. All right, the pork has been cooking about actually 2 minutes. So I'm going to add in the garlic. Actually, I'll add everything else and mix it in, and let it cook for probably a minute. And then I'll add the sauce and let the rest steam. So pour this in. All right, the veggies have been cooking for a minute. I'm going to add the smoked oysters already cooked. Basically, I'm going to reheat them up and add the sauce and cover and let steam probably a minute. Give it a quick mix. All right, be back in a minute. All right, the mixture has been cooking about a minute. I'll give it a quick stir and Give it a little taste and see if it needs salt and pepper or more salt. That's good. There's enough salt in this. I'll pour this in a bowl and then prepare the lettuce cups. Alright, here's the finished dish. The lettuce was torn in a rustic manner. If it were for a little more formal dinner, I'd probably make it more prettier, but usually at home you just tear leaves of lettuce and eat it with your lettuce cups. So this is really meant to be an appetizer, not a main course. So just add a little of your mixture, sort of like make a rice taco or a lettuce taco, and you just eat it from there. Salty, full of the fifth flavor, umami. Could have used more celery to give it more crunch. Also, you could add water chestnuts. I didn't add water chestnuts because they were kind of high carb, but not bad. Kind of reminds me of the stuff I ate when I was growing up a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please like. Thank you very much.